Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sparkle Season Holiday release. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Baking Spirits Bright stamps and die set. Baking Spirits Bright is a 3x4 stamp set containing one main gnome image and two sentiment stamps. Our gnome image measures 2.2 inches by 3 inches, was illustrated by StarJam, and has a coordinating die set that is available separately. The coordinating die set will cut out the images and the sentiments in the Baking Spirits Bright 3x4 stamp set. Now let's take a look at a card that I made using the Baking Spirits Bright stamp set. I so love how this turned out. Now let's take a look at a couple of projects made by the Trinity Stamps design team. Just darling little projects. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.